guys, it's Kelly, Ambulance Girl 77. Welcome back. I know it's been a bit. I just had to take a little break from all this for a minute. But Lawn Fawn has just come out with their fall and holiday release, and some of you might know that I am Lawn Fawn crazy, so I picked up everything that I couldn't live without. So let's get started. It's a bigger haul, so I want to just get through this quickly so I don't take up a ton of your time. So the first thing we have is the 12 by 12 Nitpicky Fall Collection Pack, and you get these fantastic colors which are very in line with collections of years past, so that they were going to work well together. You get these terrific knit patterns. You get these argyle patterns. Last year the Nitpicky was for their Christmas line, but I really like the addition of the argyle. We didn't have that pattern in the holiday line, so we do have it for fall. It is lovely. Look at these. Just love it. I just love it. So anyway, these are 12 by 12 double-sided papers. Find a place to put this stuff. And then we have the Really Rainbow Christmas. Here, I'll show you the 12 by 12. It's easier to see. So you have some terrific designs, and then you have some tone on tones in here, and then you have a couple polka dots and snowflakes. These are right in line with colors from the Christmas line from last year. Like I said, their papers seem to really blend well together from year to year to year. I am kind of a traditionalist with more of the red and green, but I do use this lime green as a pop of color in my Christmas decorating mostly every year. But this year we're gonna go ahead and throw caution to the wind and throw in some blue. And I mean, I love the way it looks laid out here, these colors together, so we're gonna give it a try. Anyway, so this is what you get. It's the same thing in here that's in here, except these are double-sided, and your 6x6 pad is single-sided. And obviously the scale is smaller. So that is the papers. And then here are the stamps and dies. So I started with the caramel apple stamp and die set. I mean, just so cute, right? This is cute for Halloween, cute for fall, cute for someone who really likes caramel apples. Just cute. And then we have, I kind of tried to put things together that went together. So we have the Say What Christmas Critters. So you have your sayings, your critters. Like, look at this. You have a unicorn. Can you see that? I'm so sorry. That glare. You have a unicorn, a llama, and we've seen these two guys in collections past. So, there's lots of things that are going to blend well with these guys because they already exist in the line. So cute stuff. Lots of cute little sayings. The dies that go with it, and then right here you have this tag maker, so you can use your guys and your sayings to make cute little gift tags. Like, how cute. How many times can I say cute in this video? We're gonna try to stop. All right, so then we have the holiday helpers. Really, really adorable. You got little peeps, you got presents, you got shipping labels, really good sentiments. So this would work, as an all-around holiday stamp set because you've got your imagery and you got your sentiments. Merry Christmas, cheers, you're on my nice list. To you and yours, may you get everything you wish for. Have yourself with a great big elf. See that? Focus. Have yourself with a great big elf right there. A merry little Christmas. And then the dice to go with it. Really, really, really adorable. Almost said that C word. And then we have the Thanks a Latte stamp and die set. Now I really like this one because I feel like there's so much detail in the fact that she gave you different options. You've got a latte, or you can have cocoa, or you can just have hot tea, or you can have whipped cream on the top. You can have extra marshmallows. But she gave you faces. I mean, I really like this set. I think it's really, really fantastic. And then the dice to go with it, of course. Here is the Winter Skies Stampin' Die set. How cute are these guys? Oop, there's that word again. How cute are these guys? Seriously, look at these guys. So cute. Little trees, and then more sentiments. So wishing you and your family a magical Christmas, a magical winter, thinking of you on this holiday, thinking of you on this winter. Hope your dreams come true. So super versatile, lots of sentiments, you know, and like I said, it doesn't have to be Christmas. This can be winter. You can use this card if someone maybe has a winter birthday. I don't know. I just think you can do more than just a Christmas card with that. So then I picked up, let's see, this is the Pick of the Patch. Now, if you guys were watching the Lawn Fawn channel and seeing some of the cards they're making, the ones that they, with this Pick of the Patch, super fun. I love the fact that they have jack-o'-lantern faces, little squirrels. You've got, you know, a big pumpkin and a fat pumpkin, and then a tall skinny, and then a cut pumpkin. It's got pumpkin gut, like for real. It has pumpkin stuff right there. So super versatile. And then you have the add-on that will make it so that you can use your Pick of the Patch with your reveal wheel. So, you know, I love the fact that Lawn Fawn is, and I appreciate it too, that Lawn Fawn does these collections, and they make it so where that things that you bought last year, things that you bought 2 years ago, can work with what you have now. It's a continuation of things that you already have. It builds on items that you already have. So I kind of appreciate that, you know. It's like, you know, you get more value for it, really. So the next thing I picked up was, the reveal wheel square. Now, to use this, you have to have the original reveal wheel, which is this one here. So you have to have this one to be able to use this, because it has the wheel and the spinner thing. So this is an add-on piece to this. So just wanted to throw that out there. So I picked up the square add-on, and then I picked up the holiday sentiments to make it so I can use my reveal wheel for holiday. And then they had some more add-on pieces, which you've got your leaf, and you've got your snowflake, and then a shooting star. And that all goes with your reveal wheel. Then I picked up a couple of standalones. I got the sentiments, what is this one called? Simply Winter Sentiments. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Deck the Halls, Cheers, From Our Home to Yours, to you and yours, all of us, sentiments. And then I picked up the Gingerbread Friends. So cute. This is a totally standalone die. Here is an idea of what they make. And then, what did I get? I got the Double Slider Surprise, which it makes a double slider card. Look at that. That's pretty cool. They are seriously, seriously inventive over there. And then I picked up the Snowfall backdrop, and I got this in landscape because I thought it would be more versatile than in the portrait mode. Even though more of my cards are portrait mode, I just figured if I wanted to use this portrait mode, I could cut it the sides down. You know, if you've got snow falling, you've usually probably got snow banks too. So I thought this would be more versatile for me instead of buying both of them. And then last but not least, I picked up the Woodland Critter Hugger Winter Add-on. Okay, so to use these things, you have to have the Woodland Critter Hugger. And this came out, this was like spring of this year. So this is the Woodland Critter Hugger. And then this, there we go. This is the add-on to it. So you know, you get mittens, and you got the little cuffs for the mittens. You get a present that he can hold, He's got a gingerbread man he can hold, coffee, he can hold the cup of cocoa, he can hold candy canes, gives him a hat and a scarf and earmuffs. So it just winterizes your little your little critter. So super adorable. So that is my haul. And then you also got this really cool pin if you ordered before supplies run out. So that is my Lawn Fawn haul. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will come back and show you what I've created with some of these cool products. All right, talk to y'all soon. Bye.